Hello guys, just wanted to quickly share with you how to use the green screen effect on Camtasia using some random resources you collect from the internet. So let's get started. There's no point of waiting for people to join. If you know how to use green screen, good for you. There's a lot of people asking me, how do you do that? Okay, now let me show you how to use it. Okay, so I was playing with this. I purchased a license for Envato is called Envato. So let me show you this one. This guy's here. Envato elements. Okay, elements exactly. Let's go there. Not that one. Not that one. Elements.envato. There's one that's elements.envato. This one here. Envato, not Invanto, Envato.com. And you can see I have a license, so when I click on it, it lets me go into any of the items I want to grab. So this includes actually a lot of video templates, stock video, and there's a lot of sound effects, graphics, presentations, photos, everything you can think about. They have a lot of things, right? You can even get WordPress themes, plugins, so many good things. Okay, so what did I do? I did search for a few things. I went in, I searched for someone dancing. So there's a lot of a lot of dancing stuff going on here. So you can see there's so many of them. And I was thinking about how do I actually go on TikTok without me doing all those dances, because that's for the kids, right? So what I thought was, maybe I could go on Invanto here, Invato, find any random people dancing, right? Grab whatever trending music that's going on right now on TikTok, and actually upload them every day. Cut to the dimensions or the size that they have there, and do it. So like this, look, this is really cool moves. Why not, right? And then the next day, just add that, add some music to it. I don't care. I just want to have some exposure there, and add some dances, and at the same time add my own things there. Okay, but I don't want to show my face. I don't want to put myself out there dancing. Some days, why not? So that's what I was thinking about when I started doing this tonight. So anyways, how will I do if I was to do something like this? So I went in, I searched for that, then I went there and I searched for music. So they also give you free music. I mean, once you sign up. This was when I signed up 2 weeks ago. There was a good discount going on, so I got it for $168 the whole year, and now it's about 198. Anyways, it's not that of a difference. It's still $30 difference. Um, so I got the green screen people dancing here randomly. Then because I searched for that, and then I went there and I wanted to see what background I need to use. So I was just making fun of this. I went there to search. What is it? I was looking for something funny. Yeah, I looked for Mogadishu Got Talent, somewhere Somalia. That's really cool. So I wanted to bring something funny, because what are the chances of some random guy, Caucasian, going out and dancing in Mogadishu Got Talent? So why not? It looks funny, right? So then I went here and I downloaded it. So here's how it goes. So we go in here, you import all your collaterals. So here I'll get the dancing guy, I got the music that I just downloaded, chose the Got Talent, and then I will import also, what else? So I have not, yeah, that's the image, sorry, and then I get the music. When you download the music, they give you like different versions. So the loop, the longer version, whatever, short version. I got the longer version. So then I need to go ahead and then now put them together, right? So let's do that. So I'm gonna throw this in here. Okay, so this is the guy. He's dancing. Yes, that looks like it. He's dancing. but it doesn't make sense. No sound, nothing on it. But what if I take and now put the music with it? How does that sound? That looks cool, and I make sure I trim it to make it the same size. So let's see. Yeah, looks like it's dancing now. That's all we need now. So why don't we take this one and put it behind the background? What? Is it the background or the back? Yeah, here's the background. I put it at the foreground. Okay. No, I need to move this one to the background. Background means I can't see it. This is gonna hide it. So let's move that. Actually, why don't I just do it first here? So I can see Mogadishu Got Talent thing comes up properly. I can remove the other advertisements up there. I don't care. Those ones. Mogadishu Got Talent. Yes. That looks like it. I'll fill the screen because I need to see everything, right? Now that looks like Mogadishu Got Talent is here. Okay. Now we need to move this to the background so we don't see it. It's hidden now. Then you go onto Camtasia, go to Visual Effects. Look for something called Remove Color. I think that's it. And we throw that on the green screen. And we go ahead. And now move this until this disappears, right? Whoa, with one click, that looks like it. So then I need to move a little bit to the corner because I saw those greenish, you know. Yeah, I see them there. I don't like that. Oops. That looks about okay, but you guys see, I don't want people to notice that, so I don't like that. So let's click again until those small dark spots disappear. There we go. Now they disappear. They look good. Look at what I have now. So basically, if I click on one of them, I can make like the guy, looks like the guy's on the stage or something. I can bring him a little bit forward. I want to bring him forward a little bit. So it looks like he's on a stage or something. You know, at that level is okay. That looks like it. How about we introduce reflection, so that it looks like some shadow or something there. Okay, let's try here. I will either put on the guy himself, or no, I'll put on the stage, the background, so it looks cooler. So reflection, distance. It's not working. Nope, it's supposed to work. Come on, guys. Yeah, it's not that clear if you see it, but should be. What happened here? Okay. Yeah, some random location guy dancing. Mogadishu Got Talent, right? And now you can export this to your that looks perfect, right? So if you want to start some video that's funny, just export now and file this as a local and dance and export, and boom. Actually, why don't I actually send this to YouTube? I can send this to YouTube quickly and get some views. Content creation, right? Put some stuff together and you have a really cool way to get this done. Any questions? Let me see. Am I even is there anybody even watching this? Let me check actually. Let me check on my phone. Anybody watching that? Literally, no people watching. Is there anyone? Is it even live? Yeah, people watching it. People watching. Okay, I hear myself. Okay, so that's how you do that, guys. And once I load that, I can send this automatically to YouTube, and that will look really cool because somehow it looks funny that there's some guy dancing there. He probably traveled all the way from Poland or Ukraine or somewhere in Eastern Europe. He looks Eastern European, that's why I'm thinking so. Uh, and then he started dancing in Mogadishu Got Talent. There we go. Final movie. Let's go. Reveal this in Finder. Dance full screen. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Isn't that cool, guys? Okay, if you like this, you like and subscribe to my page, which is my person. How do you like and subscribe to somebody's profile on Facebook? I don't even know. Just like it. That's all I can say. Have a good night. How do you end this? You have to go here and end it.